Illuminati, Illuminati, Torro el Ferrari.
Okay, so real talk. Early this morning, I was disrespected by a thotty, and we need to talk about it. Early, I woke up feeling the vibe, bro. I'm like, this new show is gonna be on Netflix. Movies, spin move, bow.
Favi, Sosa, viral, movie. I'm in this bitch with the wooski.
You know what I'm saying? So I called the thotty, I'm like, yo, this show's gonna be on Netflix. She's like, Netflix? Do you know how hard it is to get on Netflix? Your show's gonna be on Netflix? She said, sure. And she says, why don't you come over later, watch some Netflix? They have some new movies, new shows on Netflix. So I'm like, oh, so I'm not good enough to make it on Netflix, but you want me to come over and watch some Netflix, right? Okay. Are we supposed to be social distancing? Yeah, 6 feet away, minimum. I got some quick Rick Ross news, and to make a long story short, Rick Ross and his baby mama lived together. Rick Ross and his baby mama got into an argument. Rick Ross told his baby mama to get out. She said she's filing for child support. She did that. Rick Ross did what every other man out there does. When their baby mama says they want child support, they're like, yo, that kid's not mine. That kid's not mine? Whose kid is that? She's gone, all of a sudden she's pregnant. Whose kid is that? It's not mine. Gossip.com just reported that Rick Ross has 30 days to check in.
Finish him.
To the DNA spot, and if he does not make it there, if he does not check in within 30 days, he's gonna have to pay so much money, bro. A lot more money than if he just did the DNA test and worked. Now on to some hood stuff. One woman refused to make her car payment. But she's on the phone with her girl saying, oh, what time you want me to pick you up? You guys give me some gas. You know what I'm saying? I'll pick you guys. Meanwhile, she didn't make a payment on the car for like 3 months. Repo man swinging blocks looking for her. Finally caught her, bro. And she didn't want to get out of the car. She did not want to get out of the car. And this is what happened.
Got it all on camera. Got it all on camera. I got it all on camera. You lose. Perfect.
More news, more gossip.
Illuminati, Illuminati, Torro el Ferrari.